Okay, so here's my steam engine. I'm going to try and hook this steam engine to a base, which is very difficult since it's made of aluminum. But I'm probably going to take some washers and make it to where it'll bolt on. Like I'll take a washer and weld something to it to where it'll hold it up there, and then you can bolt through the washer onto the motor or engine. Right here is a broken off bolt. I'm going to weld to that because I figure if it's strong enough to break itself in half, it's probably strong enough to weld to. Well, that went pretty well. Maybe I could put a bolt through there and mold to the bolt. Not so sure. That went pretty well. So now I'll weld from this to this. So then we'll have it hooked on this side. Ow, ow. There we go. We'll mount it there and there. So now it should be at least somewhat stable. A little bit of movement. I'll fix that. So here's the part I got right now. And that's how it'll fit. I know it doesn't look nice, but that's what I got. It's free, so oh well. I welded it there. I welded it here and here. And then I had some leftover pipe, and I welded it here, just to stabilize it. So I think that's pretty strong for now. Well, for 3 parts, I mean. It was 60 degrees yesterday. It's almost April. Holy cow. What's wrong with the weather here? It's Illinois. It's cold, too. Really cold. Okay, so now I have a 5-pound dumbbell I got. It was like $4. And I'm going to mount it onto the engine as a flywheel to help it keep going. It goes on quite a bit.
Actually runs better on low pressure than...
Yeah.
That's cool.